Unveiling the mystery. What does reveal all really mean? Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where learning English is fun and easy. Today, we have a fascinating phrase to uncover: reveal all. Have you come across this phrase in books, movies, or conversations and wondered what it means? Well, you're in for a treat because we're going to dive deep into what reveal all signifies and how you can use it in your daily English. So, let's get started. Reveal all is a phrase that comes from the word reveal, which means to make known, show or disclose something that was previously hidden or unknown. When someone says they will reveal all, they are promising to disclose all the information they have on a topic, without leaving out any secrets. It's like opening a curtain to show what's behind it or unlocking a chest of hidden treasures. This phrase can be used in various contexts. Let's look at some examples. 1. In storytelling or journalism, the author promised her next book would reveal all about her experiences abroad. 2. In personal conversations, he said he was tired of hiding and would reveal all to his family. 3. In public announcements or interviews, the celebrity is set to reveal all in an exclusive interview tonight. Remember, using reveal all often suggests that the information is significant and has been awaited by the audience. It's also important to understand the cultural context when using the phrase reveal all. While being open and transparent can be seen as positive, sometimes revealing all can have consequences if the information is sensitive or private. It's essential to respect privacy and confidentiality. Now, let's practice. Try creating sentences using reveal all. You can write about a mystery you've unraveled or a secret you've shared. Practice with a friend or here in the comments below, and we'll provide feedback on your usage of the phrase. Thank you for watching. We hope this video has shed light on the meaning and use of reveal all. Next time you come across this phrase, you'll know exactly what it's all about. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more English learning content. Until next time, keep practicing, and never be afraid to reveal your enthusiasm for learning English.